Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about two updates on Facebook. So Facebook have two updates like a pixel now is datasets and how to share access with your partner ID. In this video we will show you. So let's check it out. So this is the business ID. If you go on your business manager, then you can see here the business account information. You can visit this menu, then you will get this all information. If you have primary page, the primary page is showing on here. So this is the business ID actually. If you don't find this business ID, if any pages, if you go on here under the URL, you will get your business ID. This is another way. So you can copy this business ID and send through to your clients. So clients will send you by the partner account. If someone go to the partner account, so on the partner account someone click to add and give partner access to your assets. They can click from here and they can put your partner account and they can send your account access all ID. So as the same way, to my clients send me the access. If you go on here, this is my another business account. For the test purpose, if I go on the pixels, so on the pixels we can see here, so my client send me a pixels access on here. So this is showing on here request pending for this uh, pixels. If I click to continue, I can accept it, but here is an option for C. Then one update, biggest update is your asset has a new location. If you click on here, so we have made some changes on their platform on the Facebook. Now the pixel is now the dataset menu under the menu of the datasets. If you go on here, then you can see the all pixels on here, but not for the all Facebook business manager. If you go on here, this is showing right now on the dataset, but if you go, you can see the icon as well. The dataset icon is totally different and the Facebook pixel icon is different, but the Facebook pixel and dataset are the same. Okay, so one more, here is the another update. If your clients send you access, or you can send me your another business or agency access through your pixels, so they did not get any notification. They will directly get notification on the pixels here. So if you send any pixels access to there, so please talk him to check their pixels and datasets your pixel request access. If I go to continue, there is showing to data the sum level. I just click to accept button. If I accept, so I get access for this. So after getting this access, I can visit this as well. As the same way, you can send me access to TikTok as well. If I go on here, I already accept this. If I just paste refresh from here or any datasets, so then we will see our pixels on here. So thus this pixel is now I accept it on here. I can add any people on here from here, like these people and these people, because of this is my business, but they did not give me one any other. That's why I can add from here. If I click to pull, then I can assign, and any other people I can click to assign their personal profile. Okay, so this is a new feature, you know already. If I go on the event manager, then we can see our all event data on here. So here is another update. You can see here like FBC is cookie dynamically works on here. So you see right now the data source, this event is coming to directly to data source, and this data source is showing on here as like the other pixel as well. So other pixel going to the data sets, and you can see here this is the pixels, this is showing all the data sets, this is the another one, and here is only the one is the pixels. Okay, this will automatically find, no problem. If I go here, then you can see how many pages this is coming, the events as well. So this is the another event, this is coming from Shopify preview. So this means this website is coming from the Shopify. Okay, so this will be the another domain, but this event is still coming on here. So if you click on here to manage integration, then you can see your conversion API and your browser pixels perfectly working or not. This is the very important on here. And if you go on here, this is the event match quality. This is showing right now 37 point something like that. So this problem is FBP, not FBC. FBC's data is perfectly coming on here, but the FBP data is not coming because of maybe some problem on here. So we just need to find and fix it, then this will be 10 out of 7, and we will see here is the good event data as well. So the same way there is also the FBC, so we will update one here, and here is showing no recent initiate checkout. The checkout is coming from 30 days ago. Okay, so if I go on here, like add to cart is coming like 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, but the initiate checkout is not coming on here. This is the another data, so we need to fix it. And this is the another option, there is connection method on Facebook browser and server. So if you see here, the integration is coming from the conversion API and the browser pixels. That means our conversion API, our connection method with browser and server. The status method, if we click on here, then here is showing 8.3 additional conversion report. This is showing here. If you click the get started, then you can see the additional information from here, the data refreshment, data deduplication. So how many overlap coming from? 100% from the pixel and 100% from the conversion API. That's mean overlap 100%. External ID, no external ID showing on here. ABP showing from pixels 100%, from the Facebook conversion API only showing 9.9%. That's mean we need to figure out on Facebook conversion API, then our overlap will become on here. So that's, I think this video is helpful for you. So hope this video is helpful for you. Feel free to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video. Have a great day.